welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 102. Dear Sirs, we thank you for your letter of last week, and we are asking Messrs. Cromwell and Warbeck, of Wentworth, to look into the matter forthwith. Full stop. We hope that the flow of water into the workings may dwindle away with the advent of the dry weather, and that the trouble may cease of itself. Full stop. In any case, you may rely upon us to do all that we can to stop the nuisance in question. Full stop. We have already told our engineer, Mr. Walter Wilson, to make close inquiry into the matter, and we thank you again for the kindly way in which you have warned us of the possible loss both to ourselves and to you. Full stop. Yours truly. Full stop.